This is how does everything work. Quick, clear, simple. Let's begin. How does AI image generation work? AI image tools like Midjourney and OpenAI models are exploding right now. But how do they work? When you type a prompt, the AI starts with random noise, then slowly removes that noise using something called a diffusion model. It compares millions of learned patterns, shapes, textures, lighting, and predicts what pixels should appear next. Static becomes structure, noise becomes a picture. It's basically rebuilding your request from scratch using learned patterns. How does Apple's Vision Pro work? The Vision Pro mixes real life and digital screens. It tracks your eyes with infrared cameras, tracks your hands with downward cameras, and places apps into your space using dual 4K micro OLED displays. It constantly maps your room, anchors apps to physical points, and the R1 chip processes camera data in under 12 milliseconds. That's why digital objects look real and don't lag. It's real-time world mapping plus ultra-fast video processing. How do EV Superchargers work? Superchargers refill batteries fast because they bypass your car's charger. A normal wall outlet uses AC. Superchargers use DC. They send power straight into the battery. The charger and battery talk constantly, adjusting current second by second. That's why you can go from 10% to 80% in minutes. It's controlled high-speed DC power directly into the battery cells. How do viral TikTok filters work? Filters trend every week. But here's what's happening behind the scenes. Your phone uses machine learning models to scan your face. It finds anchor points, eyes, chin, jawline, cheeks, and warps the image in real time. More advanced filters actually generate a new face using AI. That's why they look so real. It's the same tech used in deepfakes, just running fast on your phone. How does wireless power work? Reverse wireless charging is back in the spotlight. Inside your phone is a magnetic coil. Inside the other device is another coil. Your phone creates a magnetic field. The second device catches that field and converts it to electricity. It's the same tech as wireless chargers, but flipped. Your phone becomes the charger, just slower. How does the YouTube algorithm work? YouTube measures reactions instantly. Did viewers swipe away? Did they watch past the first 3 seconds? Did they tap your profile? Did they watch more of your videos? If your first 100 viewers watch it, you get pushed to 1,000. If they watch it, you get pushed to 1,000. It's engagement stacking. Better the early reaction, the more the algorithm trusts your video. How does quantum computing work? Quantum computers don't use bits, they use qubits. A qubit can be 0, 1, or both at the same time. This lets it explore many possibilities instantly, like checking every path of a maze at once instead of one by one. They're not for normal tasks. They're for massive calculation problems, chemistry, medicine, encryption, future tech we can't even imagine yet. If this helped you understand the world a little better, tap subscribe so you don't miss what's next because we're just getting started.